Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Are you looking for a foot soak? Then look no further than Aromasong Salt Company. It has an amazing 100% pure raw Dead Sea salt. It is really great for your skin and it does amazing relaxing things to your feet when you soak them. I love that just using a half a cup of this Dead Sea salt really relaxed my feet and made them soft and smooth. I really love this 5-pound bag because I was able to spread the joy of this Dead Sea salt and make some salt scrubs for my friends. Being that this is unscented, I was able to use all different types of essential oils. I even used coffee in one of them. So if you're looking for a great relaxing evening, then I suggest Aromasong Salt Company. Their Dead Sea salt is amazing for a foot soak, for a bath, for a salt scrub. You will love all the endless ways that you can use this Dead Sea salt. I love it. I highly recommend it, but that's just my point of view.